I am here to discuss my thesis titled The Double-Edged Sword Promoting and Undermining Effects of Social Media on Local Culture. Social media is a double-edged sword in influencing local cultures. On one hand, platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok amplifies traditions, languages, and customs, and giving marginalized voices a chance to be heard globally. On the other hand, it risks cultural homogenization and commodification, where traditions are diluted or distorted for online attention. The study examines three main things. One is promotion of local culture. Second is cultural erosion. And third is balancing challenges and opportunities. Social media enhances visibility and fosters preservation of cultural heritage. Now, for cultural erosion, global trends and the need for online validation risks diluting unique tradition. This means that with the global trends coming inside a culture, it risks that the influence of global trend might risk their authenticity or their unique traditions. Now, third is balancing challenges and opportunities. So, with the new with the new global trends, exploring strategies to sustain cultural authenticity while benefiting from digital platforms. Now, with new global trends coming inside a culture or community, it doesn't necessarily mean that it is a bad thing because it also has benefits. But as again, it is important that it must be balanced. Now, the key recommendations for my thesis to address these challenges are number one, promoting digital literacy to preserve authenticity. This is important. Digital literacy is important so that everyone or us, the users, are educated on what is really necessary to preserve our culture, but also welcoming new influences. Second recommendation is encouraging accurate cultural representation by platforms and creators. With accurate cultural representation, this is very important because if a culture is exposed or shown to another culture without it being accurate, that culture's image will be different from its original. Now, next is support local initiatives. Supporting local initiatives through collaboration with the government. We have this thing called the Movement of Support Lokal in the Philippines. Uh, this is an initiative with collaboration to the government wherein it promotes the local products. It mm, it encourages the local Filipinos to buy local products rather than buying products from international countries. Next recommendation is developing content policies to prevent cultural misrepresentation. Now, with the platforms being very free and have very freedom, it is important that we have content policies. And with content policies, this will prevent cultural misrepresentation. Because with too much freedom, it risks the authenticity of one culture, because a person representing another culture may be done in bad faith, and the image will be different. The image shown will be different. Now, next, the last recommendation for my thesis is that balancing global and local content to protect unique traditions. This is very important because global and local content can be used to erase culture or put other cultures in bad faith. One example of this is that a person or a YouTuber can upload a video without proper context, and other people from other culture will not understand what that culture is, and so it will be put in bad faith. So ang magiging tingin nila ay ang pangit naman pala ng kultura na ito. So therefore, it is very important that unique traditions, contents on unique traditions must be protected and properly reviewed. Now, I propose a conclusion, and also in the way ahead, we can see that indeed it is very true that social media connects cultures and promotes heritage, but it also poses risks. A collaborative effort among stakeholders, social media platforms, policymakers, cultural advocates, and us, the users, is the key to ensuring mindful digital practices by leveraging social media strengths and mitigating its risk. Now, by through this, we can preserve the richness of local traditions while embracing the opportunities of the digital age. Now, the most important lesson for us is that it is very important that our culture must be shown to others. But also at the same time, it is also very important that we protect our own culture because it risks our identities. Because our culture shows who we are and where we come from. Now, that is the double-edged sword promoting and undermining effects of social media on local culture. Thank you.